Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to disable TikTok pop-up notifications by using your Android mobile. At same time, this trick also works for iOS devices because this TikTok app settings are common for all devices. So when I try to open this TikTok application, in every time it shows the notification message on my notification panel, and this notification is about recommendations for following to someone, but I did not like this type of recommendations. So if you feel same thing, just follow me friends to disable it. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your TikTok mobile application. So now in this homepage section, you can press this me icon and it is placed at the bottom of fifth one. So now it shows my profile informations. But in this section, you can press this vertical 3 dot icon and it is placed at almost top of right side corner. And it shows me all TikTok app settings. So here you can go to push notifications and it is placed under the general section. So now it shows some settings category. So here you can click to disable your notification related category. For example, if you get someone is following you on TikTok notification, just turn off this new follower section and the third one. So otherwise, if you want to disable all TikTok notifications, just turn off all these settings. And this is method 1. So next method is just open your mobile settings. So here you can locate apps or application management section and then click to open it. So now it shows me all install applications, but you can locate the TikTok application. So just click to open it. So here you can go to notifications category. So finally you can click to turn off this option, show notifications. So once you disable this setting, you won't get any TikTok pop-up notifications in your device. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.